Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Open page number 4. In today's lecture we are going to start a passage and the title of the passage is A Clever Answer. Clever means smart. So it means that a smart answer. So I'm going to start. It's reading. One morning, when the mighty lion was just waking up, he yawned a great big yawn. Okay, mighty lion means powerful lion. Okay, so write over here powerful lion. Powerful lion or a strong lion. So he was just waking up and he yawned a great big yawn. Yawn, let me show you what is yawn. So as you can see in the picture, the lion is yawning. Yawn means to open your mouth wide and take a big breath. Understand? Now let's continue. He roared a great big roar to let all of the other animals know that he was awake. So he roared. Roared means, let me show you the picture of a lion. Now as you can see in the picture, the lion is roaring. Roar means to make a loud sound. Okay. So he roared a great big roar to let all of the other animals know that he was awake. Awake means wake from sleep. You see, the lion was the king of all the animals. As we know that lion is the king of the animals, of all the animals. Now let's see. Oh my, said the lioness. Lioness means female lion. Let me show you the picture. Now you can see in the picture, this is a lion and this is a lioness. Lioness means a female lion. Okay. Said the lioness, you have morning breath. Morning breath means halitosis. Halitosis means bad breath. The bad breath, when bad breath comes out from your mouth, it's called morning breath or halitosis or bad breath. Okay. So the lion roared in dismay. After hearing this, the lion was very disappointed. I am the king. I am perfect. So he said that I am the king and I am perfect. It means that I don't have bad breath. After that, as he walked along, he met a donkey. Donkey, as you all know, an animal. But let me show you the picture of a donkey. As you can see, this is a donkey. So he met a donkey. Tell me true, do I have morning breath? It means that, do I have bad breath? He roared into the donkey's face. Hugh, said the donkey. Hugh means used to express surprise or shock. Said the donkey, indeed you do. It means that to be sure. So he was asking from the donkey that, do I have a bad breath? So the donkey said that yes, it's true, you have bad breath or morning breath. After that, the lion was insulted and immediately killed the donkey. The lion was insulted. Insulted means to hurt someone. He felt hurt, so that's why he instantly killed the donkey. Next, the lion met a leopard and asked him the same question. Leopard is an animal. Let me show you the picture of a leopard. This is a leopard. So next, the lion met a leopard and asked him the same question. Knowing that the lion had just killed the donkey because of his answer, the leopard replied, okay, now the leopard knows everything that the lion killed the donkey just because of his answer. So the leopard replied, oh great sir, your breath is as sweet as the morning dew. Morning dew is a water drop. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is a morning dew. Dew is water in the form of droplets that appears on the exposed objects in the morning or in the evening due to condensation. Okay, so he said that your breath is as sweet as the morning dew, your breath is as delightful as the finest flower. Means delightful means pleasant, so your breath is as pleasant as fragrance of a flower, and your breath is as finer than the finest perfume. Means that your breath is finer than the fragrance of a perfume. Again the lion roared in anger. Anger means displeasure. You are making fun of me, the mighty king. Mighty means powerful or strong. So he killed the leopard too. Why? Because he feel that the leopard is insulting him too, as like donkey. So that's why he killed the leopard too. The fox had seen everything that happened. Fox is an animal and he was seeing everything. The lion turned to him and asked, Fox, do I have morning breath? First let me show you the picture of fox. As you can see, this is a fox and this is a very clever or smart animal. Okay, so when he asked this question from the fox, so he said that, okay, now everyone knows that a fox is a clever animal. Clever means smart animal. So the fox took a deep breath and with a slight cough he replied, oh mighty king. So the fox already knew about everything that happened with the leopard and with donkey. So now he answered, he said that, I'm sorry, much as I would like to answer your question, I cannot. You see, I have a cold. So what he did, he took a deep breath and with a slight cough means not severe cough, and he replied, oh mighty king, I'm sorry, much as I would like to answer your question, I cannot. Why? Because I have cold. Cold means, it means that he has flu. So whenever we have flu, so we cannot smell. I cannot smell anything right now because he said that I have a flu or I have a cold. So it was a clever answer that fox gave to the lion. So the lion answered, I hope that you are feeling better soon. The lion went on his way. So as we read that the lion killed two animals, one is donkey and second one was leopard. But fox saved himself because he is a clever animal, so that's why he saved himself from the lion. So I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.